Okay, so I've been watching this for potential long position here. I'm looking at the MACD on the 5 minute. It's been trying to get closer to the signal line and do a cross for 15-20 minutes here, and I've been watching it in this tight range. However, if we see a clean cross, we might see these Bollinger Bands open up and give us room to go on the upside. They are flat on the 3 minute. We have $1 to the upside, but if we see increased price action, they will potentially open up and give us more room to go. I'm seeing that Bitcoin is trying to cross on the MACD 5 minute and trying to make it back to an upward cycle, and same on Ethereum, still trying to cross on the MACD. So it's just very slow right now, but when it lasts for a long time like that, and we see good indications on the other indicators for a change of direction, then it can pick up volume and we can get a nice trade in if we time it right. So I just want to see everything aligning and confirming. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. We see that it's been flat for some time here. MACD is still crossed to the upside, and it was flattening, and now it's turning a bit up, meaning we could see another small leg up and continuation, especially because the MACD on the 5 minute and the 3 minute charts are very low and trying to cross to the upside. So that could mean good volume coming up soon. I'm just watching this. I want to see. So now the Bollinger Bands are getting very, very close to the price here. So we have just $1, $1.10, $1.20. So that's not ideal. However, as I said, if we see price action increase and stronger candles, they might be able to open up and give us room to go to the upside. So I'm getting ready here. I just want to see the MACD cross on the 5. Just want to see Bitcoin and Ethereum agreeing and making their way to the upside as well. We have a bunch of green candles on the 3 minute, and we have about 60 cents to the upper band. So if we get in right now around 4:30, we would have to break through the upper band to make a profit of $1. But as I said, if we see increased price action, we might be able to do that, especially because the upper band on the 5 minute is still at 31, just about 431, so $1.10 to go. So if we cross nicely on the 5 minute and we see Bitcoin and Ethereum doing the same, increased price action, stronger green candles, we might be able to grab that dollar here on a long position to the upside. Let's just wait for the next candle to appear in 20 seconds, and I'll look to potentially enter a long trade here for a quick dollar. And if it doesn't make it to the dollar, then I can potentially take 80 cents, 75, 80 cents, and with the leverage I'm using 50x, it would be still about 2-3% profit. But ideally I'll get the dollar for 5, 6, 7% after fees. I'm just waiting for this. I like the MACD on the 3 minute is nicely pointing up now, trying to make its way up, and the new candle here on the 5 is still green, but we haven't seen the cross yet. However, it might look like it's happening now, so it'll be a slow cross. But if we see increased price action on Bitcoin and Ethereum, that could go through the bands, the upper bands, and give us $1 of profit. So I'm just watching here. I just want to see just a bit more confirmation that the price action is gonna pick up to give us the room that we need to go. So that we see the upper band on the 3 slightly opening. That's a good sign. And the MACD on the 3 is still pointing up. We still have green candles. The price is increasing. Now we're at 430.20, so I'm going to enter. If I see a small pushback, 430.20, 430.15. Let's see if we can enter this. 430.10. So now it's going back up. So that's what I want to see. If it comes back down, I want to see it come back up. Alright, let's wait 5-6 seconds here. We're still at the 430 level. We see that we're about to cross on the 5 minute. However, we have a red candle on the 3. A red candle on the 5 now. So let's see if we can get another green candle, if we can make it turn green very shortly. Now we're very, very tight, but the tighter it gets, the more energy it's packing. So when it reopens, it usually has a lot of strength because it's been condensed for so long here. So we'll see if that's energy is going to be dispersed to the upside or the downside now. It might look like it wants to Alright, so we're still waiting, and at this point it doesn't look like it's going to happen because the MACD on the 3 is turning down now, and if it heads back down. Alright, so it's not happening for a long position. The energy that I was talking about is now being unloaded to the downside. So I'm going to hold off here. Preserve our capital. Definitely not a good entry point right now. And I wouldn't enter a short position either because we're so low on the MACD with no crossover in sight. Hitting the 200 MA on the 3 minute. So I'm not looking for either a call, a long position, or a short position here. It's just too unclear what's going to happen. Now that the MACD on the 3 has changed, we haven't hit the upper band or crossed through. We haven't done any. We're just staying in that tight range, and it looks like it's gonna stay there for now. All right. So we'll hold off and keep watching this.